Yes, I can. Yeah, we want to thank S&S. Actually, we want to thank Mark from St. Clair Collision, and he did a call, and we got S&S out. This is an air compressor sitting in bullpen behind the barn, which we call the bullpen, and so we just put this up on a running gear that's been sitting here, so we can move it around. So, steps to a project. What we're going to do is we're gonna clean out a foot of dirt here, get some road matting down, and then get some white limestone in, and then the county parks said they would paint it, clean it up, looking nice. We've got stuff like this sitting on a pad that nobody gets to see, and we're going to actually make that a display where people can go in, walk around, and look at. We've got there's a couple road graders. This is a hay tedder, planters. That's a hay baler, hay loader. So that's our project out here, St. Clair County Farm Museum in Goodall's Park. And here's some guys. We'll thank some guys coming out. Terry Dunn, he's one of our volunteers. We got the truck driver. We got Mark. You guys know Mark, St. Clair Collision, and Bill Schultz. He's our treasurer. So thank you, everybody.